Hey everybody, it's Donna, the Blissful Planner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a spread that is part of a collab on Instagram, and the theme for this week was a quote from your favorite movie. Okay, well, my favorite movie, and anybody that knows me knows what my favorite movie is, and that is Sweet Home Alabama. So this is my take on it, okay? It's supposed to be lightning to a dark sky. You remember the beach scene. They're out on the beach when they're young at the beginning, and then when they're grown at the end, and it's lightning, and he at the beginning, he's like, why do you want to marry me for anyway? And he says, so I can kiss you anytime I want. So, with that being said, we're going to get started, and here is everything that I have got ready. So this is going to be a little bit of a challenge. So what I'm going to do first is lay these down so I can try to figure out where everything's at. Okay, so we're going to do Monday, Tuesday, where's my, Wednesday, we're going to do these stickers here. I pulled out of my Hell of a Plan Stripes and Florals book because I wanted this to show up. And with this dark background, that's really a challenge. So I basically was just trying to do like the lightning theme scene in the movie. This is a movie for me that seriously never gets old. Never. And I really love it. Now, I sort of jacked this one up. I didn't have one, and that's probably going to show through. So I may try to find a January sticker, and I'm really not going to worry about that right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the S. Now, and I still made this spread functional. I mean, this layout, you can still use your spread. It's not covered up. I've got, you know, functional boxes, and I think that you're still going to be able to utilize your spread. So, and I even wanted to put it in quotes if I can get hold of it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. So, peeling off these little hickeys ain't easy. So, I hope you guys have had a good day. I did. It was, you know, one of those days where, you know, you get to pick up and do some of the things, get some of the things done that you've been needing to do. I'll move that over just a little bit. I like this. This is going to make me want to literally go in there and turn on my television and watch Sweet Home Alabama. So, what do you think, guys? I mean, what's your favorite movie? I mean, I am a movie buff. I have been going to the movies for years. It's probably one of the things that I miss most about this whole pandemic is, you know, not being able to go and do. And it's frustrating because, you know, I miss being able to do those things. I still wanted to be able to put like my boxes down so that I can label stuff. And the only color, as you can see, are the lips. And then this. This was a bit of a challenge. I'm not even going to lie. But I really do like how it came out, and it's really, I feel like it's really different. And you know me, that's what I like, is I don't want to be like everybody else. So I can. Here's my kiss. I'll tell you, it took me forever just to cut out the lightning. I better put the kiss down first, because you know how that's what's gonna happen. Not gonna have enough spacing, because I'm putting kiss you here. So kiss. I think this is cute. I'm sorry, but I just think it's super cute. And I think that might be... Alright, where's my other S? Oh, there it is. I just like to be challenged. I like it when we do stuff like this and they're like, okay, the theme's going to be this. And I just really like taking it to another level. And I just feel like this sort of takes it to another level. So I can kiss. I just want to make sure I've got it in the right order. Get up here and it'll be like, you know, say something else. And I won't be like, no. Oh, I hope your weekend is going good. So far mine is going pretty fair. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty happy about it. I feel like I've gotten a lot done. I got some drawers in from Michael's that I bought. I did a reel on Instagram the other day, and I'm telling you guys, you might really enjoy watching me put them together, because I don't have a whole lot of patience when I put stuff together. Just saying. And you're going to find out just how little patience I do have. So let's put anytime I want. Any. I got these stickers on clearance. They're Park Lane from Joann's today. And they do have a bit of a cushion to them, but I really don't care. I mean, that doesn't bother me. I stood there and looked at letters forever. And I'm telling you now, learning to do hand lettering won't happen fast enough for me. Because I hate having to buy this stuff. It frustrates me. And so I'm very excited to get started with that. As you guys know, you know, sometimes I don't always get the time to do what I want to do. You know, I do help with my family a lot. And, you know, I can't always just sit down and do a sticker spread. So I'm really trying to do a lot of pre-filming. And, you know, sometimes it's a challenge because, you know, I'm busy. You know, I work full time. And I really want to get this content out for my viewers because, you know, that's what I'm here for. I enjoy this. This is something I love. And where did my eye go? Want. I got want anytime. Probably fell on the floor. So I can kiss you anytime. I'll put the I right here, and I'll go ahead and do the want. I probably dropped it in the floor. So I'm going to do W. I just love this. I just think it's so cute, and it's so different, and I just love it. And I love this movie. And then I put a few boxes, like I said earlier, you know, to accent, you know, the page so it's still, you know, functional, because it needs to be functional. It's a planner, and, you know, your planner needs to have a purpose. It needs to, you know, work for you, and you need to be able to, you know, use it. That's what it's for. And I mean, if all we do is decorate our planners and we don't ever use them, I mean, that's sort of a moot point, you know. It's defeats the whole purpose, so to speak. And, you know, I love decorating them, but this is my social media planner. So I use this planner. I've been tracking my stuff and taking some different classes and things. And so, you know, I need to use it. I need to notate things. And most of the time, I do that on Tuesdays and Saturdays and Sundays. So, you know, this planner gets used. I'm not going to do that. Okay. I think some of my stickers were off-centered. They weren't cut correctly, like this one. But, you know, that's okay. I mean, I'm still going to use them. But, you know, just in case you think maybe I did that, I didn't. Since I'm the queen at crooked. And then I'll probably have to pull this off and then place it. And I do most of my stuff on Sunday. My catching up and stuff. So, are those... They look horribly, but if you pull it back up off of this scrapbook paper, it's going to make a horrid mess. So, I'm going to put... Now, the way that I take my spread and I, let me see if I can find an eye, what I do with it. I probably shoved it in here somewhere. Let me see if I dropped it in the floor or, I don't see it in the floor. I did drop a C in the floor. But if I can't find an eye in all of this, these are super easy to trim. I don't see one right off the bat, and I don't want to burn up all my time here trying to find one. So what I'll do is I'll just take an L and trim it down. And you basically won't even be able to tell. I can't get you anytime. And then I'm going to do, I had all this stuff laying here. I guess when I was working on it, I messed it up. I'm going to put these little quotes on here too, because this is a quote from the movie. And it's not perfect, but I mean, I feel like it gets the point across. It's just my take on the movie. So, let me get all that out of the way. So, what do you guys think? So, I can kiss you anytime I want. My favorite quote from the movie Sweet Home Alabama. The only thing I will add later is, of course, the January. I don't have a January sticker right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me give you a little bit of a wiggle. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you as part of my family. And I hope that you guys have a super blessed rest of your day and that you will see me on the next video. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.